Hi again, I'm doing the bedroom now. I've done a lot of preparation, so I'll talk you through what I've done so far. The worst bit is it had distemper on it. If anybody knows what that is, it's an absolute nightmare to clear. It goes in chalky white. You can't paint on it, it just all peels off and it all cracks. So let's strip all that, strip it all back, wash it all down twice, fill all the gaps, fill all the cracks, and then it's dried out and rubbed down again, and then washed again, with the soap, and then 2 coats of PVA mix, so it's now sealed. I've filled all the walls, had a picture rail running all the way around the edge of the room, so I took all that down and fitted 4 sockets, double sockets, sunk them in the wall. One down there, there's 2 on that wall over there, another one in the corner there. Still got a couple of bits to do, so doors being replaced. I've already stripped the wood back on the window, on the door frame. Got to sink that socket in there on the switch, and then across here, windowsills all stripped. Just needs sanding down so that can get a nice clean coat of paint on it. Respray the radiator. I'm not replacing that. Just needs, it's good condition. It works perfect. Just needs a good spray job. I took all the skirtings off and repaired and made good all those. So I'm putting laminate flooring down. So as you can see, we've just got bare floorboards at the moment. Repaired some of those pieces, and quite an old property, so it would have had a fireplace there originally, which has been blocked up. I didn't have to do that. I need to dig out the half because that's slightly raised. So when I put the laminate flooring down, it needs to be level. So there's that to do as well. But for today, a bit late, but I want to get a couple of coats of paint on the ceiling. So that's done, and then tomorrow I can do the other little bits and pieces and start on the floor. A lovely wallpaper to go up, and then we've ordered some new furniture to go in the room as well. That should look quite good. So you can keep you posted, and hopefully it should turn out good. That's the ceiling finished. So as you can see behind me there, 3 coats it took. Did 2 last night, and then this morning it still looked a bit patchy, so I've added an extra coat just to finish it off nicely. Quite pleased with that. Yeah, a lot better than it was. It was a right mess before. So now I'm going to dig this socket out and sink it into the wall. Right, so I moved on quite a bit. Ceiling, I spoke about the other day. I've put a TV bracket up. Obviously that'll come down to do the wallpapering. Now over here, I've got radiators all sprayed up, nice and tidy. Windowsills painted. 3 coats of paint, nice and clean and tidy. I've got the door, new door on, door furniture, that's all painted. Sunk that into the wall, so that's nice and flush, new light switch. And now I'm going to start on the flooring. So I'll show you what I've bought. We've got underlay, which goes on to take out any imperfections in the flooring, the subfloor. And then this laminate, not used this one before, 12mm thick, so it's quite strong stuff. I think it's 20-year guarantee, so should last a bit of time. Hopefully I won't have to do it again. So let's have a look, see how the floor goes down. I'm going to start over this side by the door and work my way back. So see how we crack on. Floor's finished. So I'll show you what I've done. There you go. It's all ready for wallpaper. So I'm now set up. There's my pasting table and everything. This is the wallpaper we've picked. Going all round with it. So I think it's going to look pretty special when we've done 12 rolls of wallpaper. I can try and get it all done in a day, but really pleased with the flooring. It's gone on really well. It's really solid stuff. I'll definitely use this again because it's a lot thicker than usual. I'll get going with the paper, see if I can get it all done in a day. Right, moved on quite a bit. All the wallpaper's now done. Put a few fittings up. Pretty fancy coat hook. Pictures back up. TV, mirror, new clock. Paperwork come up really well. Yeah, really pleased with it. Next job, skirtings. That's my last job. So, got my cutter, 2 packs of skirtings. So I'm going to replace all of them, put all brand new ones on. So we get on with that, I'll get those done, primed and painted, and then all glued on today. All our new furniture's coming on Wednesday, so a couple of days time. That's the skirtings cut, so as you can see, there they are. Just need to clean on my mess up now. Got my markers in place. But then they're not fitted yet. Just trimmed them all. They all fit. What I'm going to do now is number them all, take them all off, hoover up, and then get them all painted. So hopefully I'll be on tonight. So I've got them all laid out ready. That's my pieces. I've numbered them all, so I know where they're going to go when I go back on. And I always use this sort of paint, which is a primer undercoat. Oh, it's a bit blurred. But it's a quick drying, so pretty much I can undercoat it and I can top coat it in the same day, and they'll be dry ready to put on a bit later on. Get painting, all painted up. What I've got to do now is stick them all on. So that's the skirting done, and the room's finished. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, and you can subscribe, and I'll be making some more stuff soon. Cheers.